Are you ready to discover phrases that can instantly ignite a woman's passion for you? In today's video, we are diving into the power of words and how certain phrases can deeply resonate with a woman, sparking her interest and attraction. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it, creating a connection that goes beyond the surface. And by the end of this video, you will learn the art of conversation that entices, intrigues, and captivates, giving you the edge in building a magnetic rapport. Oh, and don't miss the bonus tip at the end of the video, it's going to come in very handy. How was your day, really? This phrase is more than just a casual greeting. It's an invitation for her to share more than just the surface details of her day. By adding the word really, you are signaling that you are genuinely interested in her experiences and feelings. It shows you care about the nuances of her day-to-day life and are willing to listen to what she has to say. This kind of inquiry can make her feel valued and understood, sparking a deeper connection. And when you ask about her day, make sure to do it in a moment where you can give her your full attention. Listen actively to her response, showing empathy and interest in her stories. Follow up with relevant questions or comments that demonstrates you are engaged in the conversation. This approach not only sparks her passion by making her feel special and heard, but also lays the groundwork for a deeper, more meaningful interaction. It's a simple phrase that can open the door to more intimate conversations and connections. I've been thinking about you lately. Expressing that she's been on your mind is a straightforward yet impactful way of showing your interest. This phrase conveys that she is important enough for you to think about her even when she's not around. It's a subtle but clear indication of your growing interest and affection in her. Such a statement can make her feel special and cherished, as it implies that her presence in your life is actually having a meaningful impact on you. Now, when using this phrase, the key is in the delivery. It should be said in a sincere and heartfelt manner. You can bring it up in a context that feels natural, like after sharing a memory or a thought that she was a part of. For instance, I saw this book the other day that reminded me of our conversation, and I've been thinking about you a lot lately. This approach not only communicates your interest, but also opens up a space for deeper conversations about shared interests and experiences, further kindling the growing connection between you two. I really admire the way that you, now complimenting specific traits or actions that you genuinely admire in her, can have a significant impact. This phrase shows that you pay attention to her qualities and actions, appreciating her for more than just her appearance. It could be her kindness, her sense of humor, her intelligence, or even the way she handles certain situations. By specifying what you admire, you are showing that your interest in her is based on who she is as a person, not just superficial attributes. So be authentic and thoughtful when using this phrase. Choose traits or actions that you genuinely admire and explain why. For instance, I really admire the way that you handled that situation with such grace, or I love how passionate you are about your hobbies. Such compliments are meaningful because they are personal in recognizing her unique attributes. They make her feel seen and appreciated for her individual qualities, fostering a deeper emotional connection. Hey, before we jump into the next point, if you're finding today's video useful, hitting the like button, leaving a comment, or even subscribing would be really appreciated. It all helps with the algorithm. Now, on to the next one. I feel really comfortable talking with you. Expressing your comfort and ease in her company is a wonderful way to deepen your connection. This phrase indicates that you value the quality of your interactions and feel a genuine sense of ease around her. It's a compliment that goes beyond physical attraction, touching on the emotional and mental compatibility that you share. It suggests that her presence and personality creates a safe and enjoyable space for open communication, which is a significant aspect of building a deeper relationship. When you tell her that you feel comfortable talking with her, try to be specific about what makes the conversation special. For instance, I feel really comfortable talking with you. You have a way of making everything seem so relaxed and genuine. Such a statement shows that you appreciate not just the conversations themselves, but also her role in creating an inviting and warm atmosphere. It's an intimate form of praise that can make her feel valued and special, contributing to a stronger emotional bond between you. I've never met anyone quite like you. This phrase is a powerful way of emphasizing her uniqueness and how she stands out in your experience. Now, this is a form of compliment that goes beyond the ordinary, as it implies that she has made a significant and unparalleled impact on you. This statement can make her feel deeply appreciated and special, knowing that she occupies a unique space in your world. It's a recognition of her individuality and the distinct qualities she possesses that have captivated your attention. Now, when expressing this sentiment, it's important to be genuine and, if possible, accompany it with specific reasons or qualities that make her unique to you. For example, I've never met anyone quite like you. Your creativity and perspective on life are really refreshing. By doing so, you're not only telling her she's unique, but also showing that you have taken the time to understand and appreciate the things that set her apart. Such a personalized compliment can deepen the emotional connection and make her feel truly valued for who she is. I can't wait to see you again. Expressing your eagerness and anticipation for future meetings is a clear indication of your interest and excitement about the relationship's potential. This phrase communicates that you value the time spent together and are looking forward to more. It's a positive affirmation of your desire to continue building the connection. Such a statement can be incredibly flattering and can reassure her that the feelings are mutual, potentially increasing her own excitement about seeing you again. When using this phrase, it helps to be specific about what you are looking forward to. For example, I can't wait to see you again and continue our conversation about your shared interest. Or, I'm really looking forward to our next meeting and exploring that new cafe together. This adds a personal touch to your anticipation, showing that it's not just the meeting itself, but the shared experiences and interactions that you value. It's a great way to build momentum in the early stages of dating and to keep the excitement alive. Bonus tip. Alongside these phrases, a critical bonus tip is mastering the art of subtle touch in the early stages of dating. This nuanced approach can significantly enhance the emotional connection. Let's delve into how appropriately timed and respectful physical gestures can complement your verbal expressions and intensify attraction. Subtle touch, when used appropriately and respectfully, can be a powerful tool in building attraction. It involves gentle, non-intrusive gestures that can convey warmth and interest. Examples include a light touch on the arm during a laugh, or a brief hand touch to emphasize a point, or a warm, brief hug when greeting or parting. Now, these actions should always be guided by her comfort and responses. Subtle touch can intensify the feelings generated by your words, creating a multifaceted approach to building attraction. It's about enhancing the emotional resonance of your interactions, making your presence more memorable and your connection stronger. Integrating subtle touch with your verbal interactions adds a layer of intimacy and personal connection, making your expressions of interest more dynamic. This practice, when done with sensitivity and respect, can greatly enhance the chemistry between the both of you, fostering a deeper bond that goes beyond just words. So now that you know the best phrases to use, here's 2 videos I recommend checking out next. Discover how to use reverse psychology to build unstoppable attraction, or find out what questions girls ask when they've been thinking of you romantically. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.